Good morning, the students of class 5, Modern International School, Hiswa. Dear students, I Om Prakash Sharma is standing before you to teach the degree of comparison. Dear student, comparison means compare one person to another person or one person to more than two person is known as comparison. Two person, not only two person, two places, two things, or more than two person or things also are related to comparison. Suppose that I tell you Nevada is bigger than Hiswa. Here the comparison between two places, Nevada and Hiswa. Here, what is compare? Big, and Nevada and Hiswa both are nouns. Both are proper nouns because Nevada shows proper places, proper place, and Hiswa also shows proper place. But the comparison, what is here? Big. Like this, there are so many examples. The teacher is more intelligent than the student. Here we compare two persons. One side teacher, other side students, and adjective form is here intelligent, more intelligent. That means comparison between the teacher and the students, that is adjective intelligent. Dear students, there are three types of degrees. First, known as positive degree. Second, known as comparative degree. And third, superlative degree. Positive, that means no comparison. Patna is a big city. Here is adjective big is a simple sentence and no comparison. But when we can say that Patna is bigger than Nevada, therefore here comparison between Patna is bigger and Nevada is smaller. So this type of sentence is comparative degree. But if we compare more than two persons, places, or things, in that case, the sentence degree will be related to superlative degree. Such as Rani is the best of all girls. That means not only two persons, all the girls, among all the girls, Rani is the best girls. And this condition, we can say that this sentence is related to superlative degree. Dear student, what I am telling you, listen carefully in your mind. I want to tell you some identification which help you to recognize the comparative and superlative. In comparative degree, after adjective, comparative form of adjective, then is given necessary. Then you should understand that this sentence is related to comparative degree, such as Rani is better than Sita. Here two girls, one said Rani, other said Sita. And adjective is better. After better, than is used. So, if you take care than given, then the sentence will be comparative degree. And superlative superlative degree before the adjective, before the superlative form of adjective. They are one of the given. Then you should understand such types of sentences are related to superlative degree, such as Rani is the best girl. Dear student, as you know that positive, comparative, superlative, good, better, best. So here the is used before the superlative form of good, because best is the superlative form of good, and before best the is used. So we can certainly say that this sentence is related to superlative degree. Take and another example. Patna is one of the busiest cities in Bihar. Dear student, here adjective is busy, but the superlative form is busiest, and busiest, before busiest, one of the is used. So we can say that such types of sentences are also related to superlative degree. Dear students, if you have any problem in in understanding and your mind, then you can ask me on my personal WhatsApp or on my personal phone. Thanks.